breakfast fit for a king.
And a queen. Oh, they're gonna love this.
Oh, too early. This morning look is just not my thing. Huh?
Wait, I was first.
Hey, watch out. My phone.
Shh, quiet.
I never learn, do I?
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary.
What a wonderful surprise!
Oh, you shouldn't have. This is so nice. You're the best kids in the world.
And you're the best parents.
You know, the Queen and I are going out for dinner tonight, just the two of us.
Ooh.
But since all you wonderful kids are a product of our marriage,
Dad!
I thought we could spend the day together and celebrate with a picnic in the park.
Picnic! Yay! We can play games and eat cookies.
Picnic? In the park? Are you serious? No way!
Huh?
Dad, my friends go to the park without their families. What if someone sees me?
Social disaster. Never been happier to be a house pet in my life. Call me if you need an escape plan, girlfriend. I'm not totally heartless.